Welcome back to another video. I'm your boy AD, and we got a Lexus LS460. I'm actually working on the front brake pads and rotors. I've already actually installed it. So on this video, you kind of get to just see the finished product. Hopefully it's more appealing to you guys. That way you don't gotta watch through everything. So as we go down here, that is the old brake wear sensor. Customer stated he wants the old brake wear sensor there. There's a metal tab that holds that in place. There's a little clip. Okay, those are the 21 millimeters to pop off the calipers, top and bottom. And clips, brake pads, new rotors. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was a real short one. If you guys like it, comment, like, share, and subscribe. I'm your boy AD. I'm out. Peace.